Round 17 brings us to the Emirates Airline Park, where the Lions, the home side, will take on the Hurricanes. Both teams coming off victories in round 16, flying high. Evans in the front again. TJ Perinara, another dipping pass, and the break comes through. Lamape's got the legs over, straight through.
Set piece play coming in from the Hurricanes, straight off the line. Look at this work, beating the man on the inside, outside, showing the outside. It's great work, great pace from the center.
Folding around defensively, brilliant work being done as Lionel Mapu's forced to come back in field. Andries Kutia, man and ball, tracking back the Lions. Apiwa Ganki, the kick and the chases find the space. The bounce, Apiwa Ganki will go over.
Bit of individual brilliance from Ajanji. Gets the kick into space behind. The error comes from Ben Lamb, trying to tap it back to his fullback. Never present. Apiwa Ganki gets the try, an all-important one for the Lions.
The numbers of the breakdown, the Lions. Not enough advantage, so they'll go back to the original penalty. Countering Rayasi, beats one. Takes three Lions players to bring him down. Schoeman contesting. Could be a turnover. No, it's not. Penalty, Hurricanes. Flags are up. So, end of the first half. What a first half has been here in Johannesburg. Restart of the second half. Loose ball, sets up perfectly. Ben Lamb! Superb starts, Hurricanes.
No one's in the pocket covering. That's normally where Kwagga Smith finds himself. Ben Lamb. Opportunist try, no problem for the Hurricanes.
Marshall onto the right-hand side. Holden's pass is a good one as Lamb joins the line. Severe over Apiwa Ganki. Adi Severe, inside ball, money ball. Ben Lamb is over.
This is a good wrap ball from Ross Geldenhuys. Draw and pass, the skills done perfectly. Drops the shoulder on Alton Yanchi, see you later. And then this ball threading the needle.
Penalty advantage for the Lions. Alton Yankees gets the break. Lionel Mapu to switch. They'll find Apiwa Ganki.
Look at this, drawing and passing, show and go. It's his old Picasso, 2-on-1. Who else to give it to? Apiwa Ganki to finish it off. Great skills, great decision making.
Steams rolls Alton Yankees. Perinara on the short side. Finds the space. Dan Coles inside ball. High tackle. Could be trouble for Daimani. Still going. Coles in the corner. Oh, looks good. Flags are up. The extras for the Hurricanes. Taking the line, square on, the driving more. Possession and control, and Cole.
Bonus point.
Dan Coles is over. That's a second. As we confirm full-time score in Johannesburg. That's the Hurricanes victorious over the Lions. 20 points the difference, 37 points, 17.